Welcome back to Jain Info channel. As per subscriber requested, we are doing this topic Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. We'll have a top most 100 questions on BNS. We'll have a quick introduction points on Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Entire video I will spell as BNS for Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. It replaces the 160-year-old Indian Penal Code, India's first major criminal law overhaul in centuries. So it replaced IPC. It officially replaced the IPC from July 1st, 2024 and applies across all Indian states and including union territories like Jammu and Kashmir also. The BNS contains 358 sections, simplifying, modernizing and Indianizing criminal law for the 21st century. Provisions now cover digital or electronic evidence, cybercrime, organized crime and new offenses like mob linking, terror acts, and gender based violence. Sedition as a standalone crime is removed and replaced with acts endangering sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. Community service is introduced as a punishment for minor offences, reflecting a reformative approach. The minimum age for criminal liability, duly in capex, remains at 7 years. Protection for women, children, and marginalized groups are strengthened with new, stricter provisions. We have more points, but due to time constraints, we will be discussing only these points and we will cover in the coming MCQs. If you think that I am reading and continuously, then you can put mute and you can read yourself to get more knowledge. Let's start. What is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita? Please read the options. Due to time constraints, I am not reading all the options and will give the answer quickly. So, the answer is a criminal code replacing the IPC is the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Next question. Which year was the BNS bill introduced in Parliament? Which year BNS bill introduced? Answer 2023. The BNS 2023 came into force on. Answer July 1st, 2024. Primary objective of enacting the BNS. What is the primary objective? Answer by simplify and modernize criminal law. Next question. Total number of sections in the BNS 2023. Answer 358 sections. Which new penal section is added by section 4 BNS? Answer community service. Under section 2 clause 20 BNS, which calendar governs month and year? Answer Gregorian calendar. Number of new offences inserted in the IPC? Answer 20. 20 new offences. How many IPC provisions were omitted in the BNS? Answer 19. Who piloted the BNS bill in the Lok Sabha? Answer Home Minister Amit Shah. Territorial extent of the BNS. Answer whole of India including Jammu and Kashmir. Section that formally repeals the IPC? Answer Section 358. Original architect of the IPC. Now repeal. Answer Thomas Babington Macaulay. Chapter 1 of the BNS is titled Preliminary. Section that enumerates the 6 kinds of punishments. Section 4. Which of the following is not a punishment under Section 4? Social boycott. BNS defines mental illness in the defense previously called unsound mind under which section? Section 22. General exception for doli in capex applies below 7 years. Which section declares snatching a standalone offence? Answer. Section 304 declares snatching a standalone offence. BNS section punishing murder? Answer. Section 101 is punishing murder. Counterpart of IPC section 302. Punishment for murder in BNS is? Answer. Section 103. Section defining organized crime. Answer. Section 111. Minimum sentence when organized crime causes death. Section 111, Clause 2. Answer. Life imprisonment or death. Section introducing terrorist act offence. Answer. Section 113 introducing terrorist act offence. Offence of gang rape. Victim less than 18 years carries life imprisonment or death. Section dealing with acts endangering sovereignty, unity and integrity. The post edition is Section 152. IPC Section 124A sedition is effectively replaced by BNS. Which section? Section 152. Which offence is omitted in the BNS compared to IPC? Answer. Sedition is omitted in the BNS compared to IPC. Section penalizing publication of sexual offence details without court leave. Section 73. Which section covering cheating? Section 318 covering cheating. Section on fabricating false evidence. Section 227. Section defining valuable security. Answer. Section 2, Clause 31. Section introducing sex under false promise of marriage as an offence. Which section? Section 69. Attempt to coerce lawful authority by suicide is punishable under which section? Section 226. Which section for acid attack? Section 110. Section for kidnapping for ransom. Answer. Section 140. Right of private defense extends to body and property in Section 35. Section listing criminal conspiracy. Section 61. Which section allowing community service sentencing for petty offences? Section 4F. Minimum kinds of punishment provided in the BNS. 6. Maximum punishment for mob linking death under the group murder provision. Answer: death penalty. Chapter covering offences against religion is numbered 16th chapter. Minimum number of persons constituting mob linking. Explanation to section 103 is 5 persons. Section for attempt to murder. Section 108. Dowry death is punishable under Section 86. Defamation. Section 356 carries maximum 2 years or fine or both. BNS defines gender, includes transgender. In Section 2, Clause 10. Dolly Incapax principle appears in Section 20. Criminal liability may attach above 7 years. Punishment for fabricating a false electronic record. Section 227. How many years? 7 years. Which court ordinarily tries BNS offences punishable greater than or equal to 7 years? Which court it is? Sessions Court. Under BNS, public servant includes Answer: public servant includes any person holding office, for example, IAS officers or deputation. IAS officers on deputation. Which section penalizes organized cybercrime under organized crime? Section 111. It includes cybercrimes also. Which section defines terror financing for the first time? Section 165A. Which section dealing with enticing a married woman with criminal intent? Answer: Section 84. Which section making marital rape punishable post Joseph Shine? Answer: not separately criminalized in BNS. Which BNS section covers dowry death? Answer: Section 86. Which section that criminalizes public nuisance with community service as punishment? Answer: Section 189. Which section punishes criminal intimidation? Answer: Section 351. To remember all these type of sections, please save this video. In future, you can reference this whenever you required. Don't forget to subscribe. Section defining valuable security also empowers courts to confiscate property under. Answer: Section 2, subsection 31 and Section 4, subsection D. Which section abolishes the term? Answer: Not expressly defined, omitted by enactment. Under which section is sentencing proportionality emphasized? Answer: Section 4, Clause 1. Which section allows forfeiture of property as punishment? Answer: Section 4, Clause D. Which section defines terrorist organization? Answer: Not separately defined, but it included in Section 113, terrorist organization. Fast track or technology based trials are promoted by. Answer: Specific rules under CRPC replacement. Which section penalizes acid attack with minimum 10 years? Answer: Section 110, Clause 2. Which section deals with attempt to commit culpable homicide? Answer: Section 110 deals with attempt to commit culpable homicide. Rights of accused to free legal aid and speedy trial are guaranteed under. Answer: BNS Preamble. Which section criminalizes trafficking of persons for ransom? Answer: Section 111, Clause 1. Which section penalizes manufacturing and selling noxious food? Answer: Section 240. Which section defines organized crime syndicate? Answer: Section 111, Clause 1 explanation. Which section penalizes fabricating electronic records? Answer: Section 229. Which section defines months and years time computation? Answer: Section 2, Clause 20. Under BNS, offences by foreigners in India are punishable as per. Old Territory. Which section deals with outraging religious sentiments? Answer: Section 153 deals with outraging religious sentiments. Which section covers election offences? Section 169 to 177 covers election offences. Which section defines public tranquility offences? Section 189 defines public tranquility offences. Which section penalizes kidnapping to murder? Section 140, Clause 1 penalizes kidnapping to murder. Which section penalizes wrongful confinement? Answer: Section 147 penalizes wrongful confinement. Which section covers Riot and related conspiracy. Section 147. Which section criminalizes criminal breach of trust? Answer. Section 320 criminalizes criminal breach of trust. Which section deals with cyber fraud under organized crime? Answer. Section 111 Clause 1. Which section defines abatement in BNS? Answer. Section 45 defines abatement. Which section covers escorting hostage under organized crime? Answer. Section 111 Clause 1 subsection K. Which section addresses fabrication of evidence beyond Section 227? Answer. Section 228. Which chapter addresses general exceptions? Answer. Chapter 3. Which chapter details punishments? Answer. Chapter 2 details punishments. Which section covers public servant assault? Answer. Section 132 covers public servant assault. Which section covers forgery and falsification? Answer. Section 143 covers forgery and falsification. Which section defines incitement to violence? Section 152 Clause 1 subsection A defines incitement to violence. Which section deals with cyber defamation? Section 322 deals with cyber defamation. Which section penalizes hate speech against protected classes? Answer. Section 153 Clause 1. Which section covers use of noxious substances? Answer. Section 113 Clause 1. Which section defines riot? Section 147 Clause 1. Which section deals with snatching in moving vehicle? Section 305 subsection A. Which section covers illegal gun possession under organized crime? Answer. Section 111 Clause 1 subsection C. Which section addresses extortion by threats? Answer. Section 111 Clause 1 subsection G. Which section penalizes trafficking in drugs? Answer. Section 111 Clause 1 subsection J. Which section criminalizes racketeering? Answer. Section 111 Clause 1 subsection M. Which section covers human trafficking for prostitution? Answer. Section 111 Clause 1 subsection R. Last question. Which section deals with organized market manipulation? Answer. It's not expressly listed. Falls under economic offences. If you have any questions, please put the comments I will reply as soon as possible. All the best. Have a nice future. Thank you.